The next gold rush might not be on Earth, it might be on the Moon. And one company wants to become the delivery service to the lunar surface. This is Astrobotic. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about another fascinating company in the new space economy. A company focused on one clear goal: building a transportation system to the Moon. Astrobotic wants to deliver scientific instruments, technology and even commercial payloads to the lunar surface. In other words, they want to build a lunar delivery service. Astrobotic was founded in 2007 in Pittsburgh. The company originally grew out of a robotics competition funded by NASA. Their early goal was to develop small robotic rovers for the Moon. Over time, the vision expanded. Instead of only building robots, Astrobotic decided to build an entire lunar logistics company. A company that can transport payloads from Earth all the way to the Moon. Astrobotic plays an important role in a NASA program called Commercial Lunar Payload Services, or CLPS. The idea is simple. Instead of NASA building every spacecraft itself, private companies deliver payloads to the Moon. NASA becomes the customer. This is similar to what happened with cargo missions to the International Space Station. And Astrobotic is one of the key companies selected by NASA. The missions will support the larger Artemis Program, which aims to bring humans back to the Moon. Astrobotic's first lunar lander is called Peregrine. It is designed to deliver payloads from many different customers. These include NASA instruments, scientific experiments, commercial technology, and even small memorial payloads. Peregrine launched in January 2024. Unfortunately, the mission experienced a major problem shortly after launch. A propellant leak prevented the spacecraft from reaching the Moon. The mission had to end early, but in spaceflight, failures are part of the process. Every mission teaches valuable lessons. After Peregrine, Astrobotic is working on a much larger lunar lander called Griffin. Griffin will be able to deliver heavy cargo to the Moon. One of its main missions will be to carry NASA's Viper rover. Viper will explore the lunar South Pole. Scientists hope to find water ice there. Water on the Moon could be extremely valuable. It could be used for drinking water, or it could be turned into rocket fuel. Astrobotic believes the Moon will become an important economic zone. In the future, we could see scientific bases, mining operations and communication networks, and maybe even tourism. If that happens, someone will need to transport equipment. That is where Astrobotic wants to position itself, as a logistics company of the Moon. Astrobotic is part of a new generation of space companies. Instead of only launching rockets, they are building infrastructure for the Moon. Their vision is simple: make the Moon accessible and make lunar transportation routine. The coming years will show whether companies like Astrobotic can turn the Moon into a real economic frontier. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new space economy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode. Ciao!